Here we have a stunning Range Rover SVR in Yulong White. This is a 5 litre petrol. As you can see, you have a black contrasting roof along with a carbon fibre bonnet, 21-inch gloss black alloys. You also have a powered tailgate, and going inside you have plenty of space there for all your personal items, and you can shut the boot using this button here. Carry on round the car. You do also have keyless entry, meaning if I lock the vehicle and just open it using the handle, as long as I have the key near me, it will unlock, which is handy if you have your hands full. Illuminated Range Rover tread plates, SVR performance seats with SVR embossed onto the seats, and you also have the SVR badging on the wheel. A sliding panoramic roof, which can be opened using this button here, which is great on a nice sunny day or if you just want more air. You do also have a windshield, and you can close it using the same button. 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven and if you're braking too hard. Valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen, and if you hand the car to a valeter, they can only access your climate control. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool, especially in the dark. Sat nav, which can also be portrayed onto the screen in front of you, making it easier to see. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. As you can see, you have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats. And you also have heated seats in the back, which is a luxury for all passengers. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people in and out of the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system, which just adds to the enjoyment of each journey. This car has done 16 miles, and you can also change the layout depending on whether you want 1 dial, 2 dials, a full map making it easier to see where you're going, or your media. You also have a dual climate control, which means that everyone in the car is happy. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the SVR. If you're interested in this amazing car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.